Still using VLOOKUP in 2025? It might be time to rethink your game. In today's video, we're comparing two powerful Excel lookup tools, VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. We'll break them down with real data and help you decide which one is best for your Excel projects in 2025. Okay, let's get started. Here's our dataset. Let's say we want to find the department of an employee using their employee ID. We'll use both VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP to do this, and you'll see the difference clearly. Let's try it with VLOOKUP first. Click on cell G2. This is where we want the department to appear. Type this formula. Now let me explain. F2 is what we're looking for. A 2 to D6 is the range of our data. 3 means we want the third column, that's the department. False ensures we get an exact match. When we press enter, it shows IT. But here's the catch, VLOOKUP only searches left to right. You must know the column number. If columns are rearranged, the formula breaks. Let's move on XLOOKUP. In cell H2, type the XLOOKUP version. Here, F2 is the lookup value. A 2 to A6 is the column with employee IDs. C2 to C6 is the department column we want to return. Now press enter. It returns IT. It is better than VLOOKUP because no need to count columns. Works left to right and right to left. Safer if columns are rearranged. Both formulas give you IT, but XLOOKUP is cleaner, smarter, and doesn't depend on column numbers. Let's say someone types an invalid employee ID, like 999. Use this formula. Instead of an error, you get not found. Simple and clean. That's one more reason why XLOOKUP wins. So, which one should you use in 2025? If you're using Excel 365 or Excel 2021 and beyond, the answer is clear. Use XLOOKUP. It's more powerful, reliable, and future-proof. However, if you're still using older versions, then you're stuck with VLOOKUP for now. So, what's the verdict? VLOOKUP is still useful for backward compatibility. But if you want flexibility, accuracy, and a future-proof solution, XLOOKUP takes the crown in 2025. Upgrade your Excel game and make your spreadsheets more smarter. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Stay tuned for more Excel tips, tricks, and time-saving formulas. Thanks for watching.